Hello folks, Dayco Diesel here. Travis.
Call, and we're going to show you the project we just started.
So we have here a 2004 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. This has got an LV7 in it. We're going to do a toe flow kit.
Well, so the whole gist behind the toe flow kit is to lower EGTs, and EGTs are exhaust gases. And so what happens when you go to throw power at these trucks, well, you start getting heat. Well, more power, more heat. So what do? We get a toe flow kit.
In the process of getting it started, we're going to take the cab off of this truck and replace a variety of parts we've got here. What we call our toe flow kit. Some up pipes, a driver's side and exhaust manifold. We're going to throw some glow plugs in it. We got our Whirly Fab kit. This is a green pearl powder coat. We have our intercooler pipes, turbo white pipe here, some boots, got some cab lights. We got some spider headlights, and we got a new grill. Got a tap shifter. We're going to go to town. So just stay tuned here, follow along. We'll let you know what happens.